Hey now, Mike Shamon here. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. I'm going to show you how to make this exact landing page right now to promote your Clickbank affiliate offers or whatever affiliate offers you're promoting. I'm going to show you how to make this exact landing page right now, and it's going to be fairly easy for you guys to do. But first off, guys, if you could hit the like button and subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate that, and I can keep making these tutorial videos for you. And before I get into it, I want you guys to comment below to tell me what kind of landing pages that you guys would like to see me make. Alright guys, let's get into the video right now. Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do an affiliate landing page. So I'm using the Divi theme right now, and what I'm going to do is I just named it affiliate landing page. We're in WordPress, of course. I'm going to go to my template back here and go to blank page, alright, and I'm going to go to use the Divi builder. Alright, I'm just going to go to start from scratch, and I'm going to go to a new row, and I'm just going to put a quick text module in there. Alright, and then we're going to put our heading in here. Heading goes here. Alright, and we'll check that, and let's go to publish. Alright, and then we're just going to go to view page, then we'll go to enable visual builder. Alright, so we started building this right here, but now we got to find our product that we're going to promote. So if you head over to Clickbank, I'm not going to go to do a full tutorial on Clickbank, but this is an affiliate landing page for a Clickbank product, and you can apply this to any product that you're promoting. So this is the affiliate super affiliate system by Crestani. So this is a good one to promote. It's a high average sale value. So you just want to go to promote, and you want to grab your affiliate link, and then you want to copy it. You want to go generate hop links, and then you want to copy that and put that in a place where you can find it so you can refer to it later. But that's going to be the product we're promoting. If you go to this link right here, this affiliate page, this will give you a lot of good resources, and we're going to be using some today. I'm going to show you how to use them. It's going to be a lot of good resources for your landing page. So once that loads up, we will check it out. Alright, so you can see it right here. Here's the landing page for your affiliate system here. There's a lot of stuff that you can look for here. But what we're going to use it for is videos and for just swipe files that we can use with our landing page. Alright, so if you look through it, you can find some there. Now what I've used here is, if you scroll down, there's testimonials right here. I've cut these out. I've done a screenshot of them, and I've cut them out to use on our landing page. And then I've also taken some a picture of a video that I saw this guy in, just to use for the landing page. So you'll see what we're doing right here is that let's go back to our landing page, or the affiliate landing page. And what we can do is we can take some of these words and use them for, and even you can use some on his page as well. So we're just going to mimic this right here, and you want to come up with something original, but for my purpose right now, I'm just showing you guys kind of how to do it. I want to show you I want to get done a little bit faster and less slow. But let's go to edit right here, and then we'll put our title in there. Alright, and let's go ahead and go to design and center that. So we'll go to text, and scroll down here, text alignment. We'll go ahead and go there. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Alright, and I want to make it bold. And let's make it red. Right, make it bigger, and then the line height, we'll adjust the line height. Alright, go to check, and that looks good. Now we'll go to this row and go to settings and just make the spacing on the top and the bottom 0 for pad and margin. Alright, and then we'll control the top and bottom padding with this section here. Just again, 0 everything out for a split second here. Alright, and then let's just do what we can. 16, 32. Alright, so that looks good. Now let's go and add another row. We'll just duplicate this one. And then we will actually delete this one and duplicate this section. And then for the row, you can just go to the column section right here and make a double column. We're going to put this text over here, and we'll go to image. And this is where we're going to put our other image in of the one I took of him. Alright, there's our image. Alright, what we can do is we could put a little border around here. Alright, and then we'll put a little box shadow around the back of it. Alright, and then I might want to add a little something different. Let's just go with another text box. In your email to watch the training, and what we're going to do is we'll just go to background red, and we'll go to text and make that white, and we'll center that. And what we'll do is we'll add a little bit of spacing there. Just try 8 pixels on the top and the bottom. That's a little bit too much. Let's just go 4. Alright, and what we're going to do is just going to cut down that space. So let's just see design and spacing here. Bottom. Alright. And what you could do is you could do this as a blurb, but if you used to do something, this is what I like to do sometimes if I don't want to do a blurb and I want to add like an arrow or an icon. You could just do could go to Font Awesome, get some icons, but I like just looking up this arrows and then just copy that. And if you go back to your landing page here, alright, and it just gives a little arrow right there. And now what we're going to do is over here is let's pick a sub headline here, and we're going to change this to black. Okay, and now let's see what he has for some of his sub headlines. So I'm going to go back to the landing page, I'm going to copy that, and then just go over here, and actually I'm just going to go over here and do this, paste it in there, and I'm going to make this text a little bit smaller. And I'm just going to go to the sizing, design and sizing. And I'm just going to bring it down, place it in the middle, and let's duplicate it, and then make it bigger for a little different type of headline. Alright, and then we're going to go to the spacing, and again just zero it out. Okay, and then we'll have to zero out the spacing up top here, design and spacing on the bottom. Alright, and then just put 8 pixels there, seems to be good. And actually make this, we'll do this red. Then if you want to get more ideas, just go here and go to promote, and if you go to this page, it's a different sales page than the other ones, but you can still get details off of that sales page. Okay, just take this, and then I'm just going to do this right here. And then we'll enter another text box. This one's just going to be the same thing. Actually, what we'll do is we'll delete this, and I'm just going to add an email opt-in. Alright, and then box below. Alright, we don't want any of that. Alright, and we'll go to design and background, take the background off, or content and background, and then go design and fields. And you can do the borders for the field to 1. Alright, and then you can go to the button. Go to the button, and then use a custom style. I'm gonna leave the text color white, and then for the background color, I'm gonna make it green actually, so it's a little bit different from everything else. Alright, and then I'm gonna go back here and go to email account, set up my email account. Alright, and then I will go to my text, and I will go to the paintbrush and I'll make it black. Center it. I'm just gonna delete that altogether because I don't really like controlling it like that. Alright, and then I'm just gonna put the text module back here. And go design, text, and center. Alright, and that's a little bit something more I was looking for right there. And we'll go to spacing. And we'll zero it out so we know where we're at. And then we'll just go to 8 pixels. Alright, and then if you look right there, we need to get that spacing down a little bit. So let's go design and layout. And then body on bottom, form on top. Alright, and then let's go to the button. Actually, maybe we'll change it to blue. Alright, and then let's go with changing the text size of the button. And then the text. We don't want the button icon. Alright, and then let's change, if I can find the text, there we go. Ultra bold. And then all caps. Alright. Alright, so there's the call to action right there. There's that box. Now what you want to do is when they click this, you want to hook it up to your email list, but you also want to connect it to your affiliate link. So once you get your affiliate link, and then for the success action, you want to make it to redirect, and you want it to be your affiliate link. Alright, and then what you can do is down here, I'm gonna duplicate this box, and I'm gonna make another section actually. Add a row in there, and then bring this one back down, and I'll zero out this row. Okay, so I still got that spacing there, so let's go back to that section and spacing and zero that out. Alright, and then I'm just going to make it 16. And then alright, so I just did that, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to duplicate this row. I'm going to go to trash that text, and I'm just going to go to this 3 column. I'm going to add an image in here. And it's going to be the images that we took earlier of those testimonials that I was telling you about. Alright, so we'll just upload one. Alright, let's see how that looks. Okay, good. Now we'll just duplicate that. And then we'll edit it. Alright, and then duplicate and do the same thing. Alright, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit more spacing to this row right above here. All right. And then they put their email in and they get the free training, which is when they click that link, they get the free training, which he's talking about right here. So they click that, they enter their email. Here's how it goes. They enter their email here. All right, and then they go to this page. Now let me tell you guys something. What's cool about this and using the system that I'm using, the Divi builder. All right, so I'm connecting this to my get response list. All right, so they get on this list. If you need to know how to connect an autoresponder, I have a video for that, and I'll show it right now in a card. But what they're going to do is they're going to get on my list, and then I'm going to promote this affiliate offer to them on my list as well. Okay, now let me show you something cool that you can do with the Divi theme if you're doing affiliate marketing. Okay, so you say you want to promote another Clickbank product. What you can do is you can download this layout that we just made and go to export and export the layout there. So that's something else you can do. I really didn't go over the mobile optimization, which we can do right now. So I'm just going to go over that. And you just want to click down these buttons right here. It goes to the phone view, and you just scroll over here and go to settings and design, and you just click the paintbrush if you want to go right to it really. But if you go to text size and go to the mouse button and go to desktop, well, actually, excuse me, if you go to the phone button, all right, and then you can set the height for the phone or the size for the phone that you want. All right, you can do that for the tablet as well. So do that, and then to go this one on the phone, let's see the sizing on here. I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller on the phone. I'm going to go to 16. Alright, and then this looks fine on the phone except for this. I want it to be full width there, so I go to design and sizing. Remember we switched it for 70%, now we're going to go back to the phone and it's going to be 100. Alright, and then this one right here, we can go back to settings here and go to design and text, but I just like clicking the paintbrush because it's a lot easier to do that. Now let's go here and find a good size for this text. Alright, that looks good. And then this text as well, design, text. And then let's go 18. Okay, and then same thing for the button, just go design and button. And then we'll lower the text down a little bit on the phone. Alright, and then you see the spacing right here. What we'll have to do is we can just go this one, pull it up a little bit, design and spacing. Make sure you click on the phone and 0 for the top. Same thing for this row, design and spacing. Click on the phone, 0. Alright, so for this one right here, we gotta adjust the sizing, design and sizing. And again, go to the phone and make it 100. Alright, and then I'm going to add a little bit of spacing on that on the phone. A little bit more. It's going to be 16. Alright, and there's that. So, you just want to save that. Alright, and now what you could do is if you want to promote another Clickbank product or whatever product you want, you could download this. Alright, export it and then import it easily to another Divi website that you have. Okay, so guys, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe button if you got some value out of this video. Also guys, go ahead and check out my other stuff that I have going on. If you want some free landing pages, I give away 5 free landing pages with at diviplanet.com. You can check that out, and then I also have a special bonus offer for you. You can get up to 100 landing pages if you don't have the Divi theme already. All you have to do is use my affiliate link. I'll put that bonus offer in the description below, so go ahead and check that out guys. Alright, I'll see you on the other side.